Welcome friends, I'm Heidi Cates, your Electronic Resources Coordinator here at Columbus State Library. We have a new platform for research called Primo VE, where you can search all library materials at once. This is one of several videos on this platform. Check the description for links to the other videos in this series. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to see what materials you have checked out or requested, how to see if you have any fines or messages on your account, and how to change the default language of the platform. I will also talk briefly about saved items and researches, as well as your search history. On the Primo VE platform, in the upper right-hand corner, you will see the sign-in link if you have not already signed in. This link will take you through the college's typical login. Use the same username and password that you use for Blackboard and email. Once you are logged in, you'll see your name in the upper right-hand corner instead. If you click on your name, you will get a menu of options. Let's start with the library account, which includes the My Loans and My Requests options inside of it. Clicking on the library account brings you to a page which shows you all of your information at once. Items you have borrowed, any requests you have made, any fines or fees, or any blocks or messages on your account. You can see more details about any of these things by clicking on the individual tabs. The Loans tab will show you the title, the due date, where you picked it up, and if renewable, a renew link. You can also press the down arrow on the right-hand side to get more information about the loan. The Requests tab will show you the title, what type of request, whether from Columbus State Library or from Interlibrary Loan, and it gives you the option to cancel the request in progress. You can press the down arrow for more information about where you are in the request process. Fines and fees shows you any details about any money you may owe for later lost items that you have borrowed. Blocks and messages can show up if you cannot borrow books for any reason, or if the library staff has left you a message. Personal details shows the expiration date, end of semester if you're a student, a little longer if you're staff, as well as your group, whether student or staff. It also shows your email address that is being used for library communications, and your default interface language. You can change this language to any of the provided options. This will change the menu labels in the system to the selected language, but not all of them, and will not affect the language of the search results. For example, if I change it to Deutsch, the page refreshes, and you can see that some of the system labels have changed in the top row, in the tab options, as well as even the labels here. But because we are not language experts here at the Columbus State Library, the labels we have added ourselves, such as library homepage and A to Z databases, are not translated. Our vendor has created all of these translations for us, so if you see one that is wrong, please do let us know so we can get it updated. Also, if your preferred language is not in this list, please do let me know, and I will see if your language is an option that I can add to the system. Okay, you can also, when logged in, see your saved searches and search results. These are stored back in this menu under your name. Let's change this back to English so everyone can read it. To My Favorites and the search history option. So both of those are here, but they all come up at once on the My Favorites. So first you can see your saved items. So these are a couple articles that I saved. If you go over to the Save Searches tab, you can see I searched dinosaurs, and I saved that query. And then over in Search History, this is currently blank because I have not done any searches right now. Once you close, this will save any searches you have done in the browser. But if you close it, all of your saved items and your saved searches will remain, but your search history will be cleared as it has been for me. Okay, this is your new library account on our new research platform. I hope this was helpful. Please reach out to the library if we can be of any help to you, either by dropping by in Columbus or Delaware, using the live chat option down here at the bottom of the page, calling us, or emailing us. All of our contact information is right here on the homepage of Primo VE. Check out our other videos in the series to learn more about Primo VE, such as how to use it to do research and how to request materials. Links are in the description. Have a nice day.